In this video, we're going to show you how to disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. It's pretty simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. So first, we have our Windows desktop open right here. And what we want to do is go down to the search bar. And in the search bar, we want to search for settings. And we want to open up the settings app like so, in which case we should see something like this. And on the left-hand side, what we want to do is search for the privacy and security settings page, and then go to where it says Windows Security. Then we want to click on where it says Virus and Threat Protection. Next, we want to go to where it says Manage Settings under the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section. So go ahead and click on Manage Settings. And then you want to turn off the real-time protection. So if you go ahead and uncheck this from on to off, it'll give you a pop-up asking if you are sure you want to disable it. Go ahead and hit the disable button. And now your Windows Defender should be turned off and no longer active. So that is how you can disable your Windows Defender on Windows 11. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.